There you go. What time is it?
It's game time.
Alright, today is NBA Final 2018
Who's
Game
gonna win?
4.
Hey, who's gonna win?
Oh,
Golden State.
yeah boy. Golden State 100%, 100%. But today, this guy's gonna win just because.
What do you mean? He doesn't even play for you guys anymore.
Kyrie versus Kyrie.
Water for you, because you're a pansy.
Cheers. Yes. Look at him. Cap on. For the next 2 hours, we're not gonna be friends.
What? What's wrong?
Oh my god.
I think it's about like 2 pints at least.
We're not gonna be roadworthy after this, that's for sure.
Yep. He's feeling mine now. And he never feels his own one.
Like this already. Yeah. Shot clock's winding down. Golden State's gonna win.
Who won?
2 seconds, 1 second. Yeah. Congratulations! Congratulations, Golden State!
Hey boys! What's it? 2018 champ? Never done before. Cheers. Let's get an Uber. Nah, we gotta ride this. Bike life. Wow.
So, what's happening with life right now?
Yummy stuff.
Yummy stuff. It's a celebration of your championship.
Now we can't eat that. Yeah. Championship.
Rebuilding this bike for a friend, Greg. So he's upgrading the whole frame to this. Oh!
Yep.
Which belongs to you. Oh! So yeah, let the transformation begin. That's how I strip a bike. This one weighs in 1.96. BMC is actually one size bigger, but save 160 grams.
And who won? Your boy. I haven't met this guy yet, but I'm cleaning your brakes for you. Does it stay in there or does it come out?
Come out. Just push it.
Push it.
Oh wait.
Other way.
Yeah. If you go through that, that's a write-off, man. Permanently. Yeah, I got it out. And pin the fork.
If I do it at the rear one, I'll pin the frame.
Fix it.
Hey Nick, I got it out.
Fix it.
Yeah, video, bro.
Which could they know?
You said she has a man's face. Nah! No, you can't put it up. You're
Is it low battery, yeah?
no, pretty full.
But why does it keep turning off?
It looks like a bike now. Like crispy and stuff.
What a noob.
Go. Get camera.
What?
He's doing one job. So you put a water bottle that way.
Yes. That's how you do it. It's the new way. Okay?
Wow.
Otherwise too mainstream.
Wow. There you have it. It's a giant bike though. Waiting for the buyer to pick it up. Customer to pick it up.
Yep.
Jelly, yeah.
I am bad.
What happened?
For my son.
So he wanted for himself.
It's 54, 56.
59.
No, I'm saying if it was.
Yeah. From this?
Oh,
To
because
this.
it's a 60 as well.
No, that's 60 ton.
Oh.